Hi everyone, welcome back to Konkan Food Trails. Today we are making absolutely delicious Bangda fish fry recipe, Konkani style. Let's see how to make this recipe. To a bowl, add 6 to 8 Byadgi or Kashmiri red chillies, add some water and soak it for 30 minutes. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of Sonamasure rice or any short grain rice. Wash it, rinse it thoroughly, keep it aside. To a blender, add the soaked chillies and washed rice. Now add 1 inch ginger cut into small pieces and 10 garlic pods, a small piece of tamarind. To this add 1 tablespoon water and grind to a smooth paste. Do not add too much water at a time. The paste should be super smooth and thick. I've taken half a kilo of Bangda or mackerel. Make a few gentle cuts on both sides of the fish so that the masala will seep right in. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste and half a teaspoon of turmeric and rub this masala gently. Now add the ground masala paste as required and gently massage it and marinate this fish for 1 hour or overnight will be the best. Heat an iron pan over medium heat. To this add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 5 to 6 curry leaves. Let the curry leaves splatter, spread them. Now add the marinated fish and gently coat the masala on top of it. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes on one side and gently flip it on the other side and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes more. I have observed like the sides of the fish will be undercooked. So I am cooking it on all 4 sides. At this point, the fish turns golden brown and crispy on both sides. Look at that, perfectly fried Bangda, crispy on the outside and juicy and flavorful on the inside. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.